Hey learner, this is Nilesh Borate. Welcome back. So accidentally in previous video we create a table in this another database. So we create the post table in this demo app database. Okay, but we want to create a post table in this CMS database. Okay, so accidentally we create in this demo app. Okay, so don't worry about that. Create the post table in this CMS application. Okay, so till if you have working this post section, you have got these images, title, author, content. Okay, so I hope this is running on your machine. So proceed to next section. So in this video we are going to see that this block search text box. Working on this block search, type here the some search tag, and after pressing this search tag and you hit enter, then display these blocks only related to this search tag. Okay, so this search tag is present in this post table. So see here in post table there are the some post tags. See here, these are the some tags. If you enter the any one tag in these three tags PHP, Nilesh, CMS, then this post is search. Okay, similarly when you search Rahul, JavaScript, course or class, then the second post will display. Okay, so go ahead and working on that script. So here this is the your index.php file. So if you want to work this block search box, then this panel is your the different program, that is the sidebar.php. Now we work in this file sidebar.php. Okay, so this is your the design file. So see here, this is the block search well to this. So this design is this searching related. Okay, and the remaining design is this block categories related. Okay, so we focus on this only, this selection tag. So we need to go to a database, find out when the user types something. Here we need to search the database to see if we can find the sum of the content they are looking for. When the user type here this, for example, hello in search box, then we go to the database, get this field in the database and say for database do you have this field somewhere, and then if you do, then we display it. Okay, so here we add a one form after this HR tag. So this is the one form, press the tab button. Okay, so action, so we create a new file, so search.php, and close this form after this button or the span tag. I think this div tag. Okay, after this div tag, here we close this form. So here input type equal to text. So this is your text box. Give the name of this text field. So name equal to search. Okay. Then this is your the button. Button class equal to button, default type equal to button. Okay. So here we give the name of this button, name equal to submit, and type equal to also submit. This is your the submit button. Okay, so here we close this form. So save these changes here and we create a search.php file. Okay, so this file is similar to this index.php, so we save as index.php into this search.php file. So first we create a new file. So this is your CMS application. So here we right button, click this panel and create the new file. So search.php, and here we copy paste all this index.php code into that file. So Control A, copy, go to search.php, Control V, save. Okay, so here we save all this content here. So this is the PHP script. Okay, so first we will get the information from the previous page. So get the search text in this program. So here we test echo $_post. This is the text box name search. Okay, so first we will just test that search content, save here. Okay, so going to this again, sidebar.php. Okay, so see here form action search.php, and this is your the input type text, name is that the search. Okay, so here we run this index.php file. Okay, so when you type here hello and press the enter, so undefined index line number 13 search.php. So here there is an error. So see here again, going to this sidebar.php file. So here action, so here we not set the method, so method is equal to, this is the post. Okay, so save here. Now here we again check this the index file. Okay, so see here hello and press the enter. Okay, so see this hello string is going to this search.php file. Okay, so see here in URL, this is your the search.php file, and these are the some search content. We now convert it into this search tag. Okay, now going to this search.php file. Okay, here we get this search string into this $_post search global array. So we store this string in this variable. So here we write the one more code, write the new query. Okay, so this query is related to search. Okay, so see here query is that select star from post where post tags is equal to $search. Okay, so if you write this query, then meaning of this query is that if your the search string is that hello, then they compare or search the exact hello world in this post tag. But this is not a perfect result because we add the multiple tags in this database. So required is that whenever you enter the any one of these tag, then you get your the result. So here we use the single quote because this search column is in the varchar or the text. So here we add the %sign before this search variable or after this search variable. Okay, and here we use the like operator. Like. So like operator is used in a where clause to search for a specified pattern in a column. So there are the two wildcards which are used in this like operator. First one is that this percentage. So this percentage sign represent the 0, 1 or multiple character. And second one is that the underscore. So they represent exactly one character. So here we use this query. So this query is removed from this previous code. Then this is your the result. Okay. So this result here, MySQLi query connection query. So here we remove this die message. Okay. So this is your the MySQLi query connection query. So after that, here we check how many results are stored in this $result variable. So there is a one built-in function MySQLi underscore num underscore rows. By using this function, we count the total number of rows in this result. If you get the result, then there is at least one row. If there is at least one row, means that you get a result. So here we check if $count is equal to 0, means you not getting the any result by using this search tag, means that here we print the one error message like this. This is the no result. Okay, and otherwise else we print all these remaining section of this while loop. by using this while loop we print this result. Okay, and we close this else section here where while loop is closing. Okay, here while is closed, then here we close our else block. Okay, now save these changes here. So see here, if you type the hello, enter, this is the no result. Okay, and if you type the Nilesh, enter, then see only one tag shown in this search box. So check here again database, when you enter your the post tag is that the Nilesh, then only shows the first row result. Okay, now we check the another one, that is here we enter for example JavaScript, then see here JavaScript, enter. So this is the another one. Okay, now here we enter letters, that is the only type the RAH in a Rahul word, RAH, and enter. Then see here again this search box is appear. Okay, means your search tag is have only 2 or 3 letters, and if it is matched in your the post tag, okay, in any positions, means that this RAH string match from the beginning of this search tag. You can also type the SC. So SC is in the between of this word. Okay, so match the beginning, between, or the ending anywhere. When you match this string, then this result is appear on your this search page. Okay, so by using this query we print this result. Okay, and here we use this like operator, and by using this %sign we match the any character before, any character at ending. When you enter only %sign at the beginning, means that they match the any character before this search word, not checking the after. Okay, so that's why here we use the %sign beginning as well as in ending. Okay, so here we print this search result. Okay, so here we finish this search task. So proceed to next section. So next section we will see on this next video. So we will give all these category names in this block category area. Okay, so see you on next video. So till if you have any queries, then comment on our query in comment box, likes and subscribe the channel. See you on next video. Thank you.